Sunrise Ford North Hollywood, proudly serving North Hollywood, Los Angeles, San Fernando Valley, Glendale, Burbank, and surrounding California locations. This white 2018 Ford Transit van is equipped with an engine, 3.7 liters Ti-VCT V6, automatic transmission, and receives an estimated. Contact Sunrise Ford North Hollywood to schedule a test drive and take this 2018 Ford Transit van home today, or visit our showroom conveniently located at 5500 Lankershim Boulevard, North Hollywood, California 91601. White 2018 Ford Transit-250 RWD 6-speed automatic with overdrive 3.7 liters V6 Ti-VCT 24 volts. Recent arrival. Odometer is 2,936 miles below market average. We offer a huge selection of new and used cars, top-notch customer service and affordable prices. With so much to offer, it's no wonder so many Southern California residents have relied on Sunrise Ford North Hollywood for years.